Today's Bible verse comes from Psalm chapter 94, verse 19, King James Version. In the multitude of my thoughts within me, thy comforts delight my soul. Psalm 94:19 is a promise that God's comfort brings joy even during overwhelming anxiety and distress. It highlights that when inner turmoil, worries, and fears multiply, God's presence and promises act as a calming balm, bringing peace and emotional relief to the heart. Key aspects of Psalm 94:19. Number 1. Acknowledging reality. The verse validates that life can bring a multitude of anxious thoughts and cares. Number 2. Divine consolation. God's consolations refers to His encouraging words, presence, and promises which offer relief in times of sorrow. Number 3. Inner peace. The result of God's comfort is not necessarily a change in circumstances, but a change in the heart, a delight or cheering of the soul. Number 4. Focus on trust. It is an invitation to shift focus from the overwhelming dark thoughts to the steady, loving, and protective nature of God. Essentially, this verse promises that God offers deep, lasting joy that can coexist with or transcend difficult circumstances. Amen.